Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today is the 27th of December 2024 and I'll be going over my 6th lesson on economics and more specifically microeconomics, and today I'll cover economic efficiency and what it is. So economic efficiency refers to the optimal allocation of resources where goods and services are produced at the lowest cost and distributed to those who value them the most. It is achieved when the total surplus, which is the consumer surplus and producer surplus, and don't worry about this, I will explain this. Think about it as how much benefit the consumer gains from buying the good and how much the producer gains from selling the good. When this total surplus is maximized, and no one can be made better off without making someone else worse off. An equilibrium, which is the supply and demand's intersection, that point, how it achieves economic efficiency, is first of all through allocative efficiency. At equilibrium, the price of a good or service reflects the marginal benefits, so the benefit of buying one extra unit to consumers, what they're willing to pay, and the marginal cost of production, which is the cost to producers for making an additional unit. It is the market clearing price. This is the price where the quantity demanded exactly equals the quantity supplied, and at this price, the value consumers place on their good exactly matches the cost of producing it. So every valuable good or every valued good has already been produced at the equilibrium point, and therefore there is no surplus or no shortage. Productive efficiency as well. At equilibrium, firms are producing at the lowest possible cost, where they're utilizing, and let me move this up so you can read this, where they're utilizing their resources in the most efficient manner. And firms have no incentive to reduce costs further because they're already operating at the lowest point of their cost curve, ensuring that the good or service is produced in the most cost-effective way. And through through allocative and productive efficiency, the supply and demand's intersection, or the equilibrium point, which, let me go to the next slide, we can see here, this point here actually achieves economic efficiency. So you can now see it on a graph. It is the intersection of the supply and demand. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.